Hi everybody, welcome back. I have another headset unboxing video today. This time I will be unboxing and taking a look at the Yealink BH74 Bluetooth headset. The BH74 will have a few different options to choose from. You can get the UC version or the Microsoft Teams version. And then you can also get it with or without the charging stand. This specific one is going to be the Teams version, designed for seamless integration with Microsoft Teams. And it also will not come with a charging stand. So in this box, you will get a standard charging cord. Also in the box, you will get a USB-C Bluetooth dongle. And then with that Bluetooth dongle, you will get a USB-A adapter. That way you won't have to worry about different USB types. This headset is perfect to work for how you work. So it is perfect for the remote worker, the hybrid worker, in the office, or at the home office. So now let's open this thing up and see what it looks like. So right off the top here, our guides, our quick start guide. And then right here on this picture, it'll show you the USB-C dongle as well as the adapter, show you how to use it. And then a very convenient carrying case, easy to take it on the road. And here it is. Very cool. So the BH74 is going to have active noise cancellation technology for less distractions. And it is also going to have Acoustic Shield 3.0 technology. So your voice will come through crystal clear. The noise canceling solution combines feed forward and feed back microphones with its 6 microphone array. The headset will provide excellent sound reproduction, making the BH74 just as good for music as it is for calls. Our swivel mic here on our right side. On this left side here, we will have our active noise cancellation button. Looks like that's the only button on that side. We go to the right side, we will have volume up, volume down, and power and Bluetooth, and then our Microsoft Teams button for this specific one. The BH74 will give you up to 32 hours of talk time and up to about 65 hours of music time. The design of the headset is very light and very sleek, very easy to adjust, and very easy to use, making this a very good headset for someone who doesn't want a big, corded, clunky headset that is very hard to take around where they need to go. The BH74 here is going to be very lightweight, very easy to carry around, and very easy to use. So on our carrying case here, charging cord, and then our USB-C dongle, and the USB-A adapter connected right to it. You can just snap those right in. So the USB-C dongle here is going to be used to Bluetooth the BH74 to a laptop or a computer. So not only can you Bluetooth to a laptop or a computer, but you can also Bluetooth to a smartphone or a tablet to use for music or to make calls on your cell phone. The Yealink BH74 Bluetooth headset is very convenient thanks to its USB-C Bluetooth dongle and the USB-A adapter, not having to worry about USB ports, and thanks to its carrying case, making it easy to travel and making this headset work how you work, whether that's hybrid, on the go, remote, or in the office. So if you have any other questions about this BH74 headset, any other headsets, or any other products, please visit our website, www.ipphone-warehouse.com, or give us a call at 888-201-9056. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.